Sarapan.
Sarapan, saya udah sarapan.
Aku udah mandi gitu.
Nah, aku belum sih.
Aku yang apa-apa, aku nggak apa-apa. Kita nanti bakal ada meta event gitu.
Selamat datang.
Yuk mana Rich?
Instagram comms for Asia Pacific. Welcome to Creator Week! Alright. Please, settle down, find your seats. We still have some comfortable and colorful chairs here.
Tiba-tiba aku melayang menembus lapisan awan. Ku hempaskan semua sedihku.
Gue pernah ada di satu relationship yang dimana gue pernah dipukulin, kepala gue pernah dijedotin ke tembok. To save someone from drowning, you have to learn how to swim first. Gue bahkan pernah gak ketemu sama orang tua gue 2 bulan saking gue bener-bener gak dibolehin ketemu. Banyak orang di kasus orang tuh dibunuh loh di dalam abusive relationship kayak gini. Dan it was the day of my funeral. Gue gak bisa lanjut, sedih banget. Flowers today. Today is a very special day. It was the day of my funeral. Last night, he finally killed me. Gue gak bisa lanjut.